Hello, what's up guys? This is Doc V of Prime Smiles Dental Clinic and we're back for another tech video. And for today, bumili tayo ng 2 cases from Beyond the Box. And yung case na i-review natin for today is the SPECK Presidio Grip Case and the UAG Rugged Protection Plasma Series, which is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we have here the Plasma Series UAG and we have here the SPECK case Presidio Grip. So these 2 cases yung kino-consider ko when it comes to protection sa phone ko, considering that this UAG is approved as drop tested together with this SPECK. It's also drop tested, which is 13 feet and 4 meters siya. Dito naman sa UAG kasi walang nakalagay. So first natin check is yung ating SPECK case, which is designed for impact, and ang maganda sa kanya, it has microban, an antimicrobial product protection, a protection antimicrobian. So it has 2 layers of impact protection, and it cost me around 1,590 pesos for this case. So it has lifetime warranty according to this box. So pag i-open natin siya, I think, ayan, tulak. Yun. So, pulan natin to. And makuha na natin yung okay. So, for the SPECK case, ito yung itsura niya. As you can see, it has its grippy material here. Medyo parang mas rubbery itong part na to kasi ito medyo hard plastic siya with case, SPECK branding there. Yan yung cutouts. Sa loob, we can see also a SPECK branding. Tapos, this part, para medyo velvety yung texture niya, which is good din. And, sa gilid naman niya, ito rin yung texture, which is tumalambot siya pag pinipress ng aking fingers. So, as you can see here, it's really good. Mukha siyang magiging sobrang grip. Kasi ako, if I'm buying cases talaga, I'm really considering number 1, dapat grip. Sobrang magaspang yung sa likod niya because medyo pasmado ako. Okay? Next naman natin i-check is yung ating UAG Rugged Protection Plasma Series. And it cost me around 1,890 pesos for this case. It has soft impact resistance core and syempre tested talaga pagdating sa drop is more on tong UAG. Yun talaga yung design niya. And according to this box, it has a 1-year limited warranty. For warranty terms and condition, you just have to visit their website. So here it is. Oh, sorry. Pulang pala siya dyan. Ito siya. Built to go further. So, meron na siyang parang paper. And here's the UAG case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you can see, clear likod niya. Mag-reflect na lang kung ano depende ng color ng phone ninyo. And sa likod niya, sa loob niya, as you can see, same material. Meron siya parang honeycomb texture. I think it's for the protection. Sa sides naman, you can see some parang mga grills na nakakonect na naman dun sa plastic material niya, which is good. It can also help in grip. So one of my favorite cases din ang UAG because sobrang nagbibigay talaga siya ng grip sa phone. And another thing is hindi siya bulky, ganun ka bulky. So let's first try this SPECK case. Ayan, sa aking iPhone 11 Pro. Ito siya. Pro Max, sorry. Pro Max. Ayan. So here's the back. Yun yung sa camera cutout. As you can see, medyo naka-raise yung kanyang front for at least added protection pag nakalapat siya sa table. Here's the cutout for the speaker grills, the microphone, and for the charging port. For the sides naman, here is for the volume rockers, which is very clicky din siya. And ito naman is madali natin na-reach yung ating mute switch or yung ating silent switch kasi medyo ayan, medyo naka-bevel tong gilid na to. So, madali mo na siya ma-reach. Sa top, nothing special. Sa sa kabilang side for the power button. And as you can see, very leaky siya. Is lang natin. Ayan. So, very leaky. Very good. Ayan. So now, pagkatanggalin naman siya, madali lang din. And for the UAG case, click natin. And there you go. Here's the UAG case. Sa harapan, let's see. Maganda sa kanya. Flat tong sa side na to para at least pag nag-scroll kayo, hindi mas madali nyo na move yung fingers niyo. Tapos pagdating to sa banda rito, naka-raised siya. So, good thing with that one is additional protection siya para if ever wala man kayong tempered glass, if in case na nakalapag siya sa floor, hindi tatama agad yung screen. Then, protector. Here's for the power button. Previously, yung power button for the iPhone XS Max, medyo mas merong parang grooves yung sa side na to. Pero with this one, hindi na masyado, which is ayan lang yung itsura niya. Cut out sa may lower part for the speaker grills and the lightning connector. For the side naman, here's the volume rocker which is nire-design din nila. And ang sa mute switch naman, you can see medyo mas malaki yung cut out para mas madali mo lang din siya ma-reach and no hassle. Sa top part, wala naman nating special. Sa may right side ng phone, yung power button. Let's see. Andali lang din yung pindutin, which is good. So let's unlock again the phone. Then let's check for the power button. For the volume rocker. Sobrang dali lang din yung pindutin. So pagtatanggalin naman yung UAG case, sobrang smooth lang. As easy as that. So once again, here are my two favorite cases so far for the iPhone Apple 11 Pro Max, yung ating SPECK, Presidio Grip, and UAG. Sa dalawang to, kung saan yung mas may grip, I think it's more of the SPECK Presidio Grip because of these grooves. Yung grooves na yan. Pero when it comes naman sa bulkiness, mas nagbigay ng pagka-bulky. Ito talaga yung UAG. Mas manipis pa rin itong ating SPECK. Pero when it comes to design, kung titingnan natin, mas prefer ko talaga yung design ng UAG. Very masculine talaga yung itsura niya, which is really good din. Tsaka ang maganda sa kanya, you can really show the color of your phone considering na we have a lot of color, especially the midnight green. Pero yun nga, I have the space gray, pero it doesn't matter kasi it's really good looking talaga pagka nasuot mo siya nitong UAG. So that's my review of the SPECK and the UAG, guys, and hopefully you subscribe to my channel for future videos and future reviews. Thank you!